The lag. Here we go, Carlo Biado versus X44. Dito malalaman. X44 has been tearing pool players with regards sa money game. At hindi pa naglaban tong dalawa sa money game. Dito masusubok ang tatag. Meron pang 6 PM match. Dito users din dito na sabay-sabay gumagamit ng data. Ngayong February na edition sigurado. A miss there by X44. Yun na lang, hindi niya naiwanan ng tira. So Michael X44 Feliciano gets the first rack. Oh, walang pumasok sa break ni Carlo. So planto. X44 with last 4 balls. Shout out to Vanessa Balawas watching from Glorieta. So Michael Feliciano takes the second rack of that dry break galing kay World shout out sa Pritong Sabaw from Davao and also to Cyril Delarion. And shout out also to Aaron Del Rosario. Pals Canono, hindi na makaya yung ganun. Weben Velarde, uy. Shout out kay Mikael Benito from Marawi City. Kuting Ramber. Oh, a scratch there by X44. Bumalik po pa hindi na uukol sa iyo yung laro. Mahirap manalo kung ayaw sa'yo ng mga bola. Jeffrey Ignacio naglalaro din ngayon sa table 7 against Warren Kiamco at ang score nila doon is 2-0 in favor of 3 balls. So Carlo takes rack number 3 and is 1 rack down against X4. Sa lahat naman nagtatanong kung anong score, i-click nyo lang po yung link na andyan na po sa comment section. Makikita nyo yung live scoring ng mga tables. Jay-Z, si Pantay, susunod dito sa table number 1. At ang kalaban niya later ay si Amir, natalo kay Khalil Ramber. So out na po si Amir Mulod. Makalam CJ, click mo lang yung link na nandyan na sa comment section. Makita mo yung score. Ngayon, then 6 PM ang finals. So kung andito kayo sa General Santos, pumunta kayo dito sa Robinson's Place. Yung galing ni X44 going against a world champion caliber player. So nicely done. Shoutout kay Jerome Parenya at sa wife niyang si Sacha from Mabalacat, Pampanga. Alden Antaran bukas. Anton Raga is up 4-0 against Kuting. Oh, yes. Top right corner pocket. And no problema. What a shot by X44. Grabe yung tinirang yun, ha? And X44, Michael Feliciano is up 3-1 against world champion Carlo Biado. Ang kalaban ni Kuting, walang iba. Oh. Matamlay yung break pero may pumasok at planto yung uno. Michael X44 Feliciano takes track number 5 of that break and run, and now leads 4-1. Controlled shot there by Carlo. So 10 to the side, and Carlo gets rack number 6 and trails by 2. 4-2 still. Extra for trying to bank the one towards the corner. Wow, what a shot by Carlo, hiding the cue ball behind the 9 to hit the 5. But a miss. So nagkaroon ng opportunity si Carlo. Kinulang versus Khalil Ramper alias Uding. Carlo tried to bank towards the corner. A miss. Oo. Buti na lang sumobra para kay X44 sa side sa Carlo. Oh, he went for the side instead. Ang galing naman nun. Dry break again for Carlo. Ba, yung makabisita ko na sa inyo. Panaha ako. Magandang lugar. Very cozy. At malaki yung parking dyan. Gawa nang nandyan din yung bagong coffee shop na shout out to Carlo gets the 8th track and ties the score at 4. Sorry, 8-1 pala. Panbanon, Laak, Davao de Oro. Ang score sa table number 3, Anton 4-3, lamang si Anton. Result on table number 4, James Dodong Diamond Aranas. So Carlo Biado with last 2 balls to take the lead. Carlo takes rack number 9 and now leads 5-4. Zamboanga City. Oh, a scratch there by Carlo. So ball in hand para kay X44. Anton at si Kuting, 5-3 lamang po si Anton. So X44 ties the match at 5 apiece. May pumasok sa break.
Oras.
10:30.
May kalaban ako.
Dodong.
Kaming Dodong.
Okay, X44 gets rack number 11 and now leads 6-5. Moreno Pacanya. Yes, Bisaya na si Dennis. Kay taga Surigao man na siya. Sa Mangagoy, Bislig, Surigao del Sur. Gandang ginawa ni Carlo dun. Pero kumounter si X44. Anton Raga, last 2 balls to secure. So Anton Raga wins 8-3. A miss there by Carlo takes the 12th run and ties the score at 6. Bukas na. 10:30. 6-6. Dry break para kayo.
Please proceed to the inspection area. Please circulate for the ball rugby members. Thank you. Yung mga malalaman po, makasok kayo. Yung mga nandyan po sa may barrier, nasisira na po yung barrier natin, mga players. Yung mga nakakuha.
A miss by Carlos, a chance for X44 to go on the hill with last. Oh. Oh, what a time to miss. Carlo gets a gift and now leads 7-6, and Carlo is on the hill. 5:40, 6:10, 10 minutes. Oh, dry break. We will start at 6:10.
May time na yun.
Start at 4 minutes practice. Delay pa to eh. Doon na lang kayo, table 9. Table 9 na lang kayo. Emmanuel Delgado. Doon na kayo, table 9. Sino?
May lumaro. Tapos wala na naman susunod eh.
Phil Hill. X44 and Carlo Gado. Score is tied at 7 apiece. And a ball on the break. At planto ang uno. That's what he has done. Will it hide? Uh-oh. I think. And he misses. Carlo has a chance. Nice recovery shot by Carlo. So X44 conceded because of that miss sa 10, no?